In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new server on Discord. So basically it's pretty easy. All you need is just to follow the steps I do. Make sure that you follow all the steps. So firstly, of course, just open the app and then just log in. And to create our server, we need to find the plus in the left side menu. So it means that we'll add a server, so click on it. After that, all we need is just to choose the necessary one. There are a lot of templates for gaming, school, club, study group, friends, so you can choose one of them, but I'll create my own. So all we need is just to click on create my own, then choose for whom are you creating this server. For me and friends, for a club or community. So choose the necessary one, let it be like for me and friends. So here we can choose the necessary image. Let's upload something, for example, let it be like one of my previous, let's be like Twitch. Okay, and let's name it like Twitch. So after that, after everything is done, we can click on create. And as you can see, we successfully created our new server. So as you can see here, we have a text channels and a voice channels. We have a general and general. So if we want to add one more, for example, text channel, all we need is just to click on plus near create channel right up here. So choose the type, let it be like text, and then just choose the channel name. Let it be like as a group. Let it be like group. Is it private channel? No. Create. So as you can see, one more channel appeared in our channels list. So let's create voice channel too. So it will be voice channel, and let it be like new, I don't know, and also create a channel. So we can also edit our channel. So if we click on edit, we can choose some parameters like slow mode, change the name, age restriction channel, and other settings like bitrate, user limit, let it be like 20 users, and region override like automatic. Okay, and then the most important step, if you'll change some settings, you need just to click on save changes, because if you won't do this, your changes will not be saved. So basically this is the easiest way to create your own server. So now we can just share our server. So if you'll click on it and then just click on invite people, we can see our friends list. So we can invite it through friends list, or just send them the link to invite them. So guys, this is the way how you can create your own server and start chatting with your friends or other guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye!